What's up guys, Mr. Joseph here from Alianza, and today we're back with another video sticking on the topic of Mexican cuisine. Today we're going to go over the top foods you should try while in Mexico. So simply all you need today, a piece of construction paper. I wrote it down bullet point style, and I went ahead and used washable markers. Feel free to write this down in your notes. Feel free to add any of your favorite foods. Feel free to add any food that you think should be on this list. I'm going to go ahead and read them off to you guys. And I wrote a description of the ingredients so you guys can get a clue of what it actually is. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, it's going to be chilaquiles, which is going to be fried corn tortillas topped with red or green salsa with fried or scrambled eggs. Usually a breakfast, but you can eat it any time of the day, whatever you prefer. Number 2 is going to go ahead and be posole, which is chicken or pork with hominy corn served with herbs and spices on top. Number 3 is going to be tacos al pastor, which is thin strips of pork on corn tortillas served with onions and salsa. Next, we have tostadas, which is fried corn tortillas, which are fried until either crunchy or a little bit golden brown, served with beans, meat, or seafood. So there's different toppings that you can put on top of your tostada. Doesn't matter, it's your preference. Next we have elote, which in English is corn, either on a stick or in a cup, served with butter, cheese, mayo, and sometimes sour cream. Okay, here we go. Again, feel free to add these to your notes. Feel free to add any other food that you'd like. Let's go ahead and continue. Next we have enchiladas, which is corn or flour tortillas filled with meat, cheese, seafood, or beans, then covered in chili sauce. So the enchiladas are, feel free to add anything you want inside. So the filling could be different, it doesn't matter. Next one we have mole, which is rusty red sauce served over chicken or turkey. And the mole is actually the topping, and you could serve it over chicken or turkey. It's your preference. Here's some of the top foods that we have so far. Again, chilaquiles, posole, tacos al pastor, tostadas, elote, enchiladas, and mole. Those are just some of the top. Feel free to add any more that you want. So now we're going to go ahead and draw a couple of these. So we have a little space back here. Let's go ahead and draw a plate of our favorite foods from this list. Let's see, which ones should we do? Feel free to draw any ones you like, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and draw a tostada, which is a fried corn tortilla until crunchy and golden, served with beans, meat, or seafood. So let's get started. Usually going to be the round corn tortilla. So we're going to go ahead and draw a circle. Now all you got to do is just add your toppings. So we're going to put some sour cream, let's go ahead and grab another color. We're going to put meat on top of our tostada. So we're going to go ahead and grab the brown to mimic the meat color. I'm simply going to draw little circles as if they were pieces of meat. Okay. And you always need some salsa on top of your tostada. So now, time to grab the red color. We're going to add a little drizzle to make it look like we have some red salsa on top of our food. Next, we're going to add some cheese. So we're going to grab the yellow. Again, feel free to draw any food that you like, any of your favorite ones. Also, feel free to add to the list whatever you feel was left off or one of your favorites that you think should be at the top. So I'm gonna grab my yellow and add a little cheese. There we go. There's my little tostada. Top foods to try in Mexico. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to tune in next time. Thanks, guys.